One of the most common problems or issues which we face with glass and glossy plastic smartphones is the accumulation of fingerprint smudges. On top of that, the slippery body makes it difficult to hold and may cause accidental drops. And repair charges, as you know, is quite a costly affair. A simple solution to counter this issue is simply by installing an attractive looking skin which will not only take care of the fingerprint stains but will also give your device protection from scratch marks and from regular wear and tear. So in this video, let's unbox and review smartphone skins from a company called Capes India. There will also be a giveaway where some of you can win a smartphone skin of your choice. More on that later. Besides protection from fingerprint stains and scratch marks, the skin can also change the look, feel and color of your device according to the texture and pattern of your choice. You can select from a variety of choices in the Capes India website, and those of you interested can use the discount code CNTechroom10 to get 10% off. Let's have a quick look at the installation process. In this case, the Mi A3 and the Poco F1, so that you don't face any issues installing at home. A dust-free place under bright lights is preferred to install the skin successfully, and you will also be needing a hairdryer. The first step is to make sure the phone is totally clean of dust particles, which helps in avoiding air pockets. Then carefully align the camera skin in position and apply some pressure. Next, remove the skin from the 3M paper and reattach the paper as shown in the scene. Make sure to perfectly align the skin around the camera cutout while keeping an eye on the top edge of the phone. 3M is known for their high quality products, and the patented adhesive used on the skin is long lasting and does not leave ugly residues on your devices. Next, after perfect alignment, put some pressure on the edges. Reposition the 3M paper as shown and make sure the bottom half of the skin is aligned perfectly at the edges of the phone. If the skin is not perfectly placed at the corners, then you can always peel it off and realign it again. Next, remove the 3M paper and use the hairdryer on all sides for the final process. If any air pockets are formed during this step, then you can smoothen it out with your hands. Now you have a brand new looking phone in your hands, which is weatherproof, helps in heat dissipation, and can continue to wirelessly charge. For joining the giveaway, you just need to be subscribed to the channel and follow the Gleam link in the description. There will be 3 lucky winners for a skin of their choice, and the winners will be announced on 21st December through Instagram.